Hi everyone, so welcome back to another tutorial from Eye Makeup series, and today you will learn the half cut crease eye with the color mauve, the purple one, and with the help of flat applicator applying it to the outer edges of the eye in the direction of V. If you want to see the color I have taken, you can reverse the video and take the screenshot. The palette I'm using, that is Pretty All Set UCANBE. Again taking the purple color, depositing it to the outer edges, giving more depth to the color. For half cut crease, this is the guideline you need to follow. In this way you need to blend the color to the crease line or the outer edges. Now taking the big blending brush, blending the color in circular movement. Now using the fine liner brush, draw a cut after getting the guideline. The concealer I am using, that is Forever 52 ka shade number C0V001. And now with the help of concealer brush, going to fill all the lines. The concealer brush I am using from the brand Pro Art. Using the blending brush, blurring out all the crease lines from the outer corner of the eye. Now using the pressed glitter eyeshadow in the color white. Now applying the metallic liquid glitter in the color silver, applying it over the cut. It will give you the natural effect as you can see. Now applying the gel liner with the brand Forever 52 and the shade number GT001, which is darkest black, and with the help of liner brush creating a liner effect. If you want to smudge your liner, then you have to use gel liner. That's why I'm taking the gel liner instead of Krylon ka cake liner. Now with the help of blending brush, blending the outer edges. Now here's the look after lashes. Applying the two-way gel from the brand Miss Claire and depositing the pigment, silver pigment. Going to do the under eye smudging after applying the gel kajal in the color white. Now doing the smudging with the help of smudging brush in the same color. You apply in the outer edges. Applying the mascara from the brand Maybelline Colossal to the lower lashes of the eye. So here is the complete look in front of you. Bye bye, take care. We'll meet in next tutorial. Till then, thank you so much for watching us and keep practicing.